Let's take a look at post-secondary enrollment. Here you'll see a graph that has post-secondary enrollment by program. These are general programs, so healthcare and related programs here. But we know that there are more specific programs, for example, registered nurses. To be able to look at that data, you can hover over this bar for healthcare professionals, right-click, and select Drill Down. This will show you all of the specific programs underneath the Healthcare Professionals and Related Programs banner. And you'll see the top bar here is Registered Nurses. You can also search for specific programs by going to this program filter at the bottom of the page. You can select this down arrow to bring up a list that you can either scroll through, or you can use the search function and search either by zip code or program title. You can also look at this across different years. So right now we're looking at 2022, but we can look back at 2021 and even as far back as 2014. If you're interested in looking at annual trends, select the Annual Trends button, and you'll see here that we're still looking at healthcare professionals, and specifically registered nurses. But we can see the trends from 2014 to 2022. And you can also adjust when you'd like to, the range of years that you'd like to look at. So if you want to look at 2018 to 2022, you can just either adjust this bar here or enter the year specifically here.